Hello, this is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing. I'm here at Sea Ridge Condo Association. Address 33571 Seagull. I'm in the back patio using the ground level clean out. We found this root intrusion. I believe this could be on either a 3 or 4 inch sewer line. And you can see it's right where this ABS pipe meets the clay, where this root's coming in. Now granted, it's not big enough to cause any issues right now, but if left alone over a period of time, this will back up this unit. Now it's not really determined whether this is an exclusive line or if other lines are tapped into it. It's hard to tell because a lot of the neighbors aren't home right now, so I can't have them flush water. This is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.